Hello guys, so today I'll be making tomato stew. Tomorrow is Sunday, but I like to always make my stew on Saturday to make it so easy and making Sunday to be a very relaxed day. Come on in. So in here I have my tomatoes, I have my shombo, this long pepper. This pepper is not really so spicy. Then I have my scotch bonnet. This one is more spicier than the shombo. Now together I'm going to boil this. The essence of boiling this is to allow it to extract water before blending, so I don't have to waste all the whole time cooking just these tomatoes. Okay, so here as you can see, it's actually boiling so well, so we're going to still leave it. You can see it's extracting water. Mind you, I didn't even put any kind of water in this, so I'm going to allow it to extract more water, then blend it. This way it saves my gas. Alright, you can see how it's boiling, so this is enough. So I'm going to sieve this out right now. So I just sieved it. You can see how shrink it looks. So it's very hot, so I'm going to allow this to drip water for a while before blending. Now look at, see the water that came out from this, and it's still dripping, so I'm going to still let it be for now. So I just prepped my fish. I'm done washing it now. I had to wash it so well, remove this dirt inside. Now I'm going to go ahead to steam this, spice it up, then steam for a while before frying. So you can see my fish is already boiling. So I'm going to allow this to boil for a little, then fry. So here I already added the oil I use in frying my fish, and here I'm just stirring. I allowed this to actually boil for a while. I didn't want to bore you with that. Now at this point it has really dried to the way I want, so here I'll be adding my fish stock from the fish that I cooked. Then after that I'll go in with my seasoning. Here I have seasoning salt, I have my curry, any other seasoning you want to do. Then you turn it, then you can adjust for water according to how you want it to be. So here I already poured extra water.
and I'm stirring. My stew is ready.